Hello, and thanks for stopping by. Today we'll be discussing how to get gaps in AwesomeWM. So the first thing you'll want to do is go into your theme.lua file. So we have one of two options here. The first option is that we go into our theme.lua file and we specify theme.useless_gap equals DIP and in parentheses whatever the number is you want it to be. The second option is that you can mess with something called padding. And what you'll do is you'll make a section called padding. And in the first line we'll say that awful.screen.connect_for_each_screen. We'll put the following in parentheses. Function, because we're going to create a function, and in that parentheses we're going to put in an S. And on the next line we're going to say that s.padding equals, and in curly brackets, left equals whatever number you want it to be, right equals whatever number you want it to be, top equals whatever number you want it to be, and the bottom equals whatever you want it to be. And then we're going to end off the curly brackets, we're going to end the function, and end the parentheses. Now you may be asking yourself, why did I only mess with the left padding? Well, it's because I'm using a layout called centered. And in centered, I had to make the width and height -10. This -10 is my padding for the left and right. And I did it again down here for this width and height, and I did it again down here for this width and height. So I set most of the padding in here, but it did not cover the left padding. So I set the left padding here. But otherwise, those are your two options. You can either set it in your theme.lua, which is more of an automatic process because you're only setting one number, or you set it in your rc.lua file and have more control over your padding. Either way, it should work just fine. And with that, we've come full circle. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe, and I shall see you guys in the next video.